In order to replace trailing cable, you have to remove the side panels of the mast and unscrew the screws and just take the panel off. As soon as you take the panels off, you will access the inner space of the mast, so the trailing cable connects one end to the main electrical compartment. Here's the hole to pass it through. Here's how the metal fitting and fixation plates looks like, and the cable has to go right straight down in this column gap till the end. It has to make a loop, then go up and be connected with the plate to the platform metal holder. And here on this side you will find the plastic connectors. So there is a possibility that to access them you will have to take off the platform.